Well, I'm here at the TC Electronics stand here at NAB 2015. I've got Thomas Walter with us. Hi, Thomas.
Hello.
Now, we've got a whole new product to talk about this year at NAB, Clarity X. Tell us a bit about that.
Well, it's brand new. It's first time ever we show it. And it's, of course, very exciting because we have a lot of new stuff to offer with this device, a lot of new technology and a lot of tools that actually can help the mixing guy do a better mix. So basically we focus very much on giving the mixing guy some tools that will make him better at mixing stuff, will make him create or do better mixing decisions along the way. So it's a monitor controller, but it's not only a monitor controller, it's also very much a meter. So we call it a monitoring system rather than just a monitoring controller. So the idea of having a number of monitoring controller tools combined with different meters is basically the essence of this device. It comes with the very nice remote that I have right here, but it also comes with a calibration microphone.
Okay.
And the whole idea is that we have sort of paired or matched the calibration microphone with each device when they leave the factory. So when you unpack the device, you get a very reliable measurement tool out the box. And basically we are talking about, as you see here on the wall here, we talk about increased intelligibility. And that's basically because we know from broadcasters that the complaints from users or from end listeners are basically in regards to intelligibility and also to loudness jumps. TC as a company, we have talked a lot about loudness and making sure to avoid the loudness jumps for quite some years now. But now we will also focus on the other side of the complaints that come into broadcast, and that is intelligibility. This box will not solve all intelligibility problems in the world, but it gives you a number of tools that will warn you if there's something in your mix that could be done better, and it will also give you a couple of meters that actually will help you improve your mix. Basically, the topic is that a lot of the mixing engineers, they mix in 5.1, but the end listeners, they listen in stereo. And so that whole down mix from 5.1 to stereo is where some of the keys to solving the problems are actually made. And it's about, from the metering side, it's about providing a couple of meters that will actually show you how well your 5.1 mix folds down to stereo. And the point is that you keep an eye on that meter while you do your stuff. Of course, always use your hearing, always listen to your mix, but at the end of the day, you'll have a couple of meters that will show you how well you're doing with regards to creating a 5.1 mix that will fold down to stereo in a very good way.
Excellent. I'm looking here at a screen. As far as the software interface side goes, is this bespoke software interface, or does it interface with other software like Pro Tools, for example?
The whole device basically is, we call it a missing link between Pro Tools and your speakers. So with regards to I/O and stuff like that, we make sure that it hooks up very well with the Pro Tools workflow. We have a number of plugins with regards to loudness and stuff like that sort of goes inside Pro Tools. The control of this device is happening from a special piece of software that runs independently from Pro Tools. We'll also have an iPad version that will show you some of the meters that I've been talking about and also give you some control. But other than that, the device is controlled mainly from the nice remote that I have here. It's nice and heavy. And it gives you the main control of your monitor control, including some of the stuff that I've been talking about before.
Thomas, sounds fantastic. If people wanted to find out some more information about Clarity X, whereabouts can they find that?
On the web.
Go for it.
It's called tcelectronic.com. There's Clarity, there's X. So.
Thank you very, very much.
You're welcome.
Go and have a look at their website. I put the link on screen now and find out everything you need to know about the fantastic new Clarity X product here from TC Electronics. Everything else we're doing here at NAB 2015, of course, you'll find on our website, and that's kitplus.com.